English concepts with Trish. For kids. Hi, today we're going to ask the question, what do you see? And what do you see?
Jumpy Frog, what do you see? I see a dangerous lion looking at me. Dangerous lion, what do you see? I see a busy bee looking at me. Busy bee, what do you see? I see a crazy monkey looking at me. Crazy monkey, what do you see? I see a wise owl looking at me. Wise owl, what do you see? I see a blue bird looking at me. Blue bird, what do you see? I see a pink pig looking at me. Pink pig, what do you see? I see a happy cow looking at me. Happy cow, what do you see? I see a cold snowman sitting next to me. Cold snowman, what do you see? I see a happy cow. I see a fat pig. I see an angry bird. I see a wise owl. I see a sleeping monkey. I see a busy bee. I see a dangerous lion. And I see the jumpy frog.
Did you like this video? Subscribe, like, and share. Visit my website at englishtrainingonline.de.